What's up, everybody? This is Andy Geary over at the Windsor Public Library. Since yesterday was National Ice Cream Day, I figured we would do a special online video tutorial / program that'll teach you how to make your own homemade ice cream with some ingredients that you probably already have lying around the house. It's super easy, it's really fast, delicious, of course, and it's a great way to spend these scorching summer days. So why don't we go over ingredients, we'll take a look at prep, and let's make some ice cream.
So first off, we're gonna start with whole milk. We have some heavy cream. Now, you can put whatever toppings you want on. I've grabbed some berries and some M&Ms, as you can see. We have the bags that we're going to use to make the actual ice cream. Over here, we have sugar and we have salt. Now, if you can find it, you want to use rock salt or any salt with the big, huge grains. But in this case, we're going to use some coarse kosher salt. And then you're going to grab some vanilla extract and a measuring cup. Now, let's start putting all this together. So Miss Shauna is going to start us off. We have half a cup of our whole milk right here. After that, we are going to add half a cup of heavy cream. You can use light cream, but we're going for that, super rich ice cream flavor, so I went heavy. And so we have a cup of cream and milk right here, and then we are going to add 1/4 cup of sugar to the mix. Yay. Great. And now add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Perfect. So stir this until the sugar has completely dissolved. And then we're gonna get ready to transfer the contents of our measuring cup into the first of our 2 plastic bags. So once it's all stirred, you're going to pour in the milk and cream and sugar into a small Ziploc bag. I found that the zipper works best. That way nothing escapes. And you'll see why that's important in 1 second. So with the second bag, now that we have our mixture in the little Ziploc right here, we're gonna grab a much larger one and we're going to fill this with the ice and salt that we're going to need to start solidifying this and turning it into delicious ice cream. So grab maybe like 3 or 4 handfuls of ice right here. And then after that, you're gonna add in some salt and be generous with this. And what the salt does is it's going to bring down the temperature inside of this bag right here. So once we've done that, we're gonna take our mixture, pop it right in there. So rest it on top of the salt and ice, and then we're going to fill this up, with even more ice so that it's completely covered. And then add just a touch more salt. Now, another reason that I suggest using a Ziploc bag for these is that now that our mixture is in the salt and ice right here, we're going to shake it up, and a Ziploc will make it so there's less of a chance of the interior bag opening, because nobody wants huge grains of salt and icy water inside of their ice cream. Now, once we have all this, we have our mixture, we have ice, we have salt. Just Try to get the last of the air out of the bag. And then take the whole concoction, wrap it up in the towel, like so. And now the fun part, you're gonna shake this bad boy for about 5 minutes. So why don't we do that? It's starting to solidify a little bit. We've been shaking it for, I don't know, maybe about 4 or 5 minutes now. Let's see what happens when we shake it a little bit more. Ooh. See, it's solidified a little bit. So be careful opening, make sure that some salt doesn't get in there. And then boom, as you can see, way fluffier than it was a couple of minutes ago. So let's scoop some of this out.
It's very cold. Okay.
All right. Now, do you want to taste test or
Okay.
socially distance? Go for it.
Oh my god, I feel liquor.
Is it ice cream?
That's ice cream.
Hooray.
That's ice cream. Oh my god.
And how easy was that?
That was so easy and so delicious.
And there you have it, everyone. Delicious homemade ice cream that you can make in about 5 minutes. How awesome is that?